Hola, chiques, ¿cómo están? Hola, chiques, espero que todo es bien. Today, what we are working on, well, this is really a video of what we've been working on for the past couple of days. I just wanted to give us a little more one-on-one time for those who would like to have those one-on-one times. Okay? So, today what we have been working on has been a frase called Puedo ir a. And the reason why I put the dots there is just because there is a word that you put after that. So puedo ir a simply translates to can I go to? And then dot, 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 and it's also a question. So this is when you're in my class or you need to ask to go to the bathroom, you would use this sentence. This is a wonderful sentence that you can use. So some of the places that we have talked about in my classes that we will do. So just for future reference, we're going to have always one color para español and un color para inglés. So we have one color for Spanish. Hoy it's going to be verde. So hoy el color verde is going to be for us. So let's see. We have el baño, which is the bathroom. We also have, let's see, we talked about a locker, so el armario, which is a locker. Another place we talked about was like a water fountain, but instead of using a water fountain, like the actual words themselves, I think it's a lot easier just to say beber agua. Y beber agua means to drink water, so to drink water. And then last but not least, we also said another class. So we have la clase, which is just a class. Okay, so when we use puedo ir a, basically what you're just going to do is you're going to take the place that you want to go to. Let's say, for example, that we want to use el baño, right? We're just going to plug and play. So we're basically just going to say puedo. So I'm going to put this in verde. So puedo ir al baño. And that just means, can I go to the bathroom? Now you might ask, Profe, what is this owl? What is this? You didn't say owl, you said ah. I'm glad you asked. So I'm going to also make sure to write down in English what this means. So can I go to the bathroom? Oh, ran out of space. I'm going to just write this here. I'm going to just say bathroom, which is BR. Bathroom. I'll redo it. No worries. So we know this means, can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom? Okay. So when you see al, it's just because, for example, I'm going to use a highlighter tool. With el baño and el Mario, they both start with L, right? So I'm just going to go to another page. So when you see a word that is masculine and starts with L, right? So if we see L, then we see, so I'm saying L plus A, that equals al. So if you ever see al, that's wrong. So I'm going to just put, you don't want to say al. You want to say owl. Okay? Just a little note for when we use puedo ir a. Alrighty, so I'm just going to write some of the example sentences that we've been doing. So we have, so I already used puedo ir al baño, so we can do puedo ir al armario. Just remember, I'll write that in English as well. So can I go to the locker? And remember, the way that I write these out, write out these sentences when I write them in English is just so you can tell what words mean what, right? Okay. We also have puedo ir ir a beber agua. Which just means, can I go get a drink of water? I'm sorry, I would do it in the way that I did the top one, but just because English has many more words than the Spanish does, it's kind of difficult. But a drink of water is all of beber agua, okay? And then lastly, we have puedo ir a la clase. This normally just needs a little bit of extra. So you say a la clase de, and then you'll put whoever's class you're going to. For example, if you're going to Mr. Mills' class, you would say de Señor Mills. I hope that makes sense. So you'll just say, can I go to so-and-so's, I'm going to put class. Because remember, in Spanish, when we talk about possession, we have to do the class of so-and-so. Or let's say, if I'm going to talk about someone's book. Let's say I have a book with me. You would say the book of Miss Williams in Spanish. That's how it would directly translate. However, since you can't always directly translate Spanish, right? So in this way, I just kind of make it back and say, this is Miss Williams's book. Okay? So I'm going to save these notes and you'll have them for yourselves. Don't worry, I'm going to send them to you soon. But I wanted to make sure that we are still on the same page, and if you needed any more help, that I have this video for you, okay? Adios, chicas. Ciao.